Hi guys, welcome back to a new video. Today I will reveal the 3 hidden cards of a daily combo of June 30th. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel and activate the notification bell to receive notify every time I upload a new video. As always, click the daily combo logo, go to the PRE team section, scroll down, and search for the tokenomic expert card. This is the first hidden card of the daily combo of today. The second card is in the legal section, so in that category search the KYB card, click on it, and upgrade it. This is the second card of the challenge. The last one is in specials, so as always check my cards and new cards. I already bought this card. Search for TG Leaders and click on it. You found the third and the last card of today's daily combo. These are the 3 hidden cards of today. Click the like button, and we will see to the next video. Bye.